Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. This is a special tutorial about sheer dripping photo editing tutorial. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit exactly like this. All you have to do is simply follow my video and I will give the background link in the description. For friends, if you're first time watching my video, please consider like, subscribe to my channel, okay, and tap on the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Okay, now let's check in video without wasting time. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I will give Instagram link in the description. First all, I have to open Picsart. See you there.